What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If it's not obvious, I am just ridiculously excited right now, and I have been waiting 7 hours for this box to get here. I honestly don't think I've been this excited for a new iPhone since the iPhone 4. So let's just open this thing. I'm so excited. Here is the iPhone 10. Tim Cook made a really good point when he said that if you do the whole monthly installment plan for the iPhone 10, you're basically paying less than a cup of coffee every day for the phone. So I think that really puts things into perspective for the price. By the way, I went with the iPhone 10 Space Gray 256 gigabytes. I did the whole online pre-order from apple.com. So here we go. It's time to open the iPhone 10. I'm scared to see it in person. There is the iPhone 10 Space Gray 256 gigabytes. Here it is. Holy moly bajoli. There is the back. It's very reflective. Also in the box we got classic Apple plug. We got the lightning ear pods with the dongle in the back. And of course the lightning to USB. And as for paperwork, Apple stickers. Always awesome to have more Apple stickers. And we have brand new instructions because, as you may or may not know, the iPhone 10 does not have a home button. The screen pretty much goes all around the entire device. So here's a little comparison between the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 10. Here's the back of the devices. So I'm in a pretty interesting situation where I am coming from just the regular sized iPhone 7 to the iPhone 10. I know a lot of people are coming from the plus sized iPhones to the iPhone 10, which in my opinion isn't really as much of an upgrade as coming to, you know, something from an iPhone 7 or even like a regular iPhone 8. For me personally, it's mainly because of the dual cameras. I have never been able to try out the dual cameras before because, you know, I've always been using just the regular sized phones. So I am beyond excited to finally have the dual camera set up. And of course, what Apple is calling the true depth camera system, and of course just the giant screen that goes across the entire front of the device. The metal band around this is just like really pretty too. I'm gonna peel off the plastic. So here is your ASMR. That's really satisfying. So here is our naked iPhone 10. I actually haven't ordered a case yet, which I really should do. I'm so excited right now. I can't wait to see how the screen looks. 3, 2, 1. There it is. There is the Apple logo. Guys, I'm really excited. If you can't tell right now, I'm just like really giddy. Alright, so there's the giant ass screen. I can't really mess with the exposure, but it's a white screen right now. Just as a comparison, here's the screen real estate difference. Coming from an iPhone 7, this screen looks freaking massive. But the phone itself actually isn't even that much larger than the iPhone 7. It's mainly the screen that makes so much more of a difference. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go set up this phone right now. But for now, this is just the unboxing, and thank you for watching. I'm so excited to use this phone. I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!